Are you tired of putting things off? Every second wasted is an opportunity lost. Today, we're diving deep into how to beat procrastination and unleash your productivity. Every challenge we face is not the end, but the beginning of a new opportunity. Procrastination can be a silent barrier between you and your dreams. But what if you could break free from that cycle? In the next few minutes, I'll share powerful insights and actionable tips to help you conquer procrastination and start achieving your goals. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Mark Twain. Procrastination isn't just about laziness. It's often a mix of fear, overwhelm, and lack of clarity. Recognize that every delay is a chance to reset your approach. Reflect on your habits and pinpoint the triggers. Is it fear of failure or simply not knowing where to begin? Understanding the root cause is the first step toward change. Now let's get practical. Here are 3 key strategies to help you turn procrastination into action. First, break it down. Divide your tasks into small, manageable steps. Instead of thinking about the entire project, focus on just one task at a time. Second, set a timer. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a short break. This method helps build momentum and keeps overwhelm at bay. Third, visualize success. Picture the feeling of accomplishment and the satisfaction of completing your task. Let that vision drive you forward. Implementing these strategies creates a structured path, making it easier to start and maintain momentum. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Cultivating a proactive mindset means shifting your focus from the fear of failure to the excitement of progress. Surround yourself with positive influences, celebrate small victories, and remind yourself that every step forward builds your future. Create a routine that reinforces these positive habits, whether through regular goal setting or connecting with like-minded individuals. And watch how every positive action propels you closer to success. Remember, beating procrastination is a journey, not an overnight transformation. Every small action you take builds the foundation for a more productive and fulfilling life. Reflect on your progress, adjust your strategies as needed, and always celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Every moment counts, and your future starts now. Thank you for watching. Beat procrastination. Unleash your productivity. Now. If this video inspired you to take action, please hit the like button, share it with someone who needs a push, and subscribe for more motivational content. Comment below with your best tip for overcoming procrastination, and let's build a community of doers together. Remember, every moment is an opportunity